Hello, Mr. McDermott here once again with the newest Scratch tutorial, When Sprites Meet, or what to do when your two sprites make contact with each other. To help do this, I created a little game featuring bats and bananas. Bats love to eat bananas, so the game basically is you are a banana, and the bat is chasing around trying to eat you. So, I've already built the script. So in this case, I'm going to show you how they're built and then going to see if you can build your own. If we press play, we see the bat flying all around the place, but the banana is not moving simply because it's a player-controlled sprite. So that when a game starts, you actually have to keep the banana moving and keep him away from the bat. It's not as easy as it looks because the bat's moves are a little bit unpredictable. Notice too, when the banana goes away, it comes back after a few seconds so you can keep playing, but you gotta be fast. So let's see how this game was built. Most of it uses skills you've already used. We start with when the flag is clicked and set position and point. Same thing we've done before. And then for the movement portion, we put it inside a forever loop. We tell it to move. Now we tell it if it hits an edge to bounce, to move, and then to turn in a random direction again, just like we did before using the operator's key, which will force it to change direction every time it hits a wall. That's it for the bat. Now let's move on to the banana, which is a little bit more complicated, but still mostly everything you've done before. We start off like before when the flag is clicked, and then we go to show, which you're going to find out more in a couple seconds. You're going to set the rotation, you're going to point them in the right direction, and you're going to put them in the center of the screen. Now we go to the movement. These are all operator movements inside a forever loop, just like you've done before. There are loops for up, down, left, and right. You do have to be careful that all your if-then loops line up, because if they don't, it won't work right. A common mistake is to have one if-then loop stuck inside of another one. That will not work. So you have to make sure that all your ifs line up down the row. Okay, if they don't, it won't work. Now the last part of this is the part where the interaction comes in. This really is a kind of simple script. You're going to create an if-then loop, and then under sensing you're going to say if the banana touches the bat, which is right there on the screen, then hide, which means it's going to disappear. You're going to put it back in the center of the screen, wait a couple seconds, and then just click show again so it pops up again and you can keep playing the game. That's how easy it is. Just one extra if-then loop. Now, you may want to do other things. For instance, play a sound when they touch. That's up to you. Let's see how creative you can be. That's it for now. If you have any questions, as usual, feel free to ask me. See you later.